Yo everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In this video of today I'm gonna unbox a couple of jerseys that I bought from ssdays.com. So these are some new jerseys for the next season 2024-2025 and also a retro jersey and then a current season jersey. So once again I bought it from ssdays.com. Check the link in the description down below to find out who that seller is. I'm going to unbox them one by one, showing them in detail and also how it fits me. So make sure to watch till the end to see every single jersey. I have a couple of player version jerseys and also some fan version jerseys. So let's start with the number one. So this one is the new Paris Saint-Germain home jersey of next season 2024-2025. So this one is the player version. As you can see, it has a center stripe, a red stripe with two white stripes besides of it, and a detail here in the neck area on the inside. Paris Saint-Germain. I let it customize with the League 1 Uber Eats patch. However, this one will be outdated next season. However, just a nice addition to the jersey, and the sleeve sponsor goat. So let's check this one out. So this one is the new FC Barcelona home jersey of next season 2024-2025. As you can see, an outdated patch and the La Liga patch. So this will be the new season home jersey. Reminds me of the 2009 home jersey. It has also two sides of the jersey, one with the blue side and the other one the red Barcelona color side. But what I really liked about this one is the center crest, which makes it so cool, I believe. And here the sleeve sponsor says Embellied TV, and on the bottom of the back also of course the sponsor, Catalan flag in the neck area, and a detail on the inside as well. This one is also the player version, so now let's check it out into. So this one is a retro jersey of Manchester United. It's the home jersey of the season 1992-94, customized with David Beckham, number 28 of course. Wow, this one is really amazing. Look at this. What I really like about this jersey is here, I don't know how you call it, but like the polo crest with those things. It's really amazing. I don't know if you can see it right now, but it has a little pattern in the jersey as well. Really cool. I had this one a long time on my wish list, but I didn't get it. I didn't find it yet, but now I have it. I'm really happy with this one. So let's check it out into detail. Okay, so here we have the new Argentina home jersey 2024. It's recently launched by Adidas. So here it is. I already bought it before it was released, so I'm curious if this one is a concept version or the official design. It looks like the original design if I see it like this. It's the fan version customized with the FIFA World Cup Winners Badge 2022, as you can see. I think it's really clean. What I like most about it is the golden Adidas logo as well. But I believe that the font officially is not gold, but I think they should have done that instead of another color. But this one is clean with that one. So now let's check it out. Okay, so the last one. This one is the AC Milan jersey of this season 2023-2024. It's the beige fourth jersey. Look at this. Wow. It is a collaboration. What I really like about this one is the detail, the graphic design in the sleeve cuffs as well here. In the neck area, it's really nice, and the button in the jersey as well. It's like a piece of art. Look at this. So I didn't bother with any customization, just a plain clean jersey to wear it in the summer or when I'm going to sport or anything. So I really like this one. So let's check it out. So that are these jerseys from ssdays.com. Let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. My favorite, it's not a surprise, is this Manchester United retro jersey, the home jersey of 1992-94. It's a really nice jersey. The design of itself is really nice, but also Beckham, David Beckham on the back is a must-have. So I'm really happy with this one. I'm going to wear it definitely this summer. So let me know which one is your favorite. Once again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have way more cool stuff on the way, so don't miss it out. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.